My name is Zaid Al-Kitbi. I'm studying at American University, majoring in data science. It feels really good to be part of the Iftar hosted by the UAE Embassy, and we'd like to thank His Excellency Yusuf Al Ateba for hosting this. It feels really good to be part of a community where they can bring us all together and where we can enjoy time and meet new people. My favorite part of the gathering tonight is just being around people from the same culture, from the same place as us, all UAE nationals. And it's really a thing we miss when we're studying abroad and not being at home with our families. What I miss about being home in Ramadan is being with family, having iftar with family, going to play Taraweeh and just gathering up with friends and family. So I'd like to say to other Emirati nationals studying abroad is enjoy your time, enjoy Ramadan abroad. It doesn't happen every time. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Thank you.